You know, say growing up in Jamaica with our elders has taught us many life lessons. Them little proverbs and little phrases they used to say, they mean something, you know. Back then, me used to roll my eye, let out big sigh, and sometimes me would have even mutter under my breath. But of course, me couldn't make them hear me. At that time, to me, them they just seem like them miserable man. Miserable old people that talk gibberish. But now that me a big woman, me a sing a different song. Me realize and truly appreciate how wise they were. In fact, some of those very proverbs and our phrases are like a saying we them have provided me with wisdom in navigating this thing called life. I have learned the art of resiliency, determination, compassion, honesty, and many much more things that me can't even name. But you don't get the gist of what me I try to say. Between me and you know, nowadays when me use the same like a proverbs or like a phrases or sayings for me pick me them, you know, or my niece and my nephew them, they roll their eye, they mumble under them breath and then let out big sigh. But me not make them no wiser, because me know say one day, just like a me, them a go appreciate them the words there and realize how much me did a pour into them. Let me tell you something. There is one of those proverbs that still resonate with me, you know. I know everything good for eat, good for talk. Let me tell you something. When you start climb the success ladder, you know, I know everybody happy for you. Regardless of how them are you have a cheerleader, them are the same one will cheer you on, but then would mind if you just drop off of that the ladder there. My people, drop a line below and make me hear for no memories of any little proverbs or no granny or no elders would have said to no that have helped you in this thing called life. As always, Mama Selva, have a beautiful morning, afternoon, evening or night, any which part of the world you know there. Me gonna know, me gonna eat me little bickle.